Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to clean up your account, improve recommendations, or remove something you watched, you can delete your watch history on Prime Video easily and completely. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to delete watch history on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So you have to know that deleting history updates recommendations. It works best on web, okay? It syncs across all devices. Okay, so the best method is use browser. Okay, so open Prime Video, like go to Prime Video app or website, sign into your account. Okay, be ready to manage history. Go to account settings. Okay, so click your profile icon, select accounts and settings. Okay, here it's open settings page. Okay, so open watch history. Okay, so you have to find the watch history option here if you watched any any movies or shows before. Okay, from here, and you find it here. So it shows all watched content. Remove items, like find the title you want to delete, click remove from watch history, item disappears instantly. So you can repeat as needed. So remove multiple titles one by one. Okay, clean your history gradually. Refresh recommendations, so your homepage updates over time. Suggestions become more relevant. Okay, so cleaner history means better experience. You can check changes like return to homepage, look at recommendations. You will notice improvements. Okay, so this is it, guys, how to delete watch history on Prime Video. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.